Wow, this is dirty, dirty, dirty. Question is would you want to mess with the patina of this? What would you do, friend? Okay. I think this calls for a nice detergent that's a degreaser as well. Because this is kind of greasy here on this. Just dilute our mixture here. Ugh. Be careful not to break plastic. It's got a patina to it. I don't know if I should go with the magic eraser, really. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, I guess so. It's looking pretty nice now. Let's do one side and then we can compare, shall we? Oh, looking here's LEDs, that's okay. I can do well here. Hallmarks in there. Nice. Clean, dirty, clean, dirty. I'm going to keep going on this and I'll pick it back up on the next part. I have a good comparison for you. This is the cleaned faceplate and this is the dirty middle part. So, yeah. Alright, so hopefully the whole case comes out like this and I'm going to finish it up off camera. I got a good shot of before and after right here. This is even more dramatic. If I face it away and the light isn't shining on it so much, oh Jesus, that is the grimiest thing. I mean, I've seen some stuff that was dirty, you know, in spots or just had mars and marks on it and stuff. But as far as grime, this is the grimiest thing I've ever seen, I've ever had. Not that I've ever seen. I've seen telephones, because I work on phone systems. I've seen telephones from like auto mechanics, and those are at this level. Maybe that's where this computer was, in some kind of industrial setting. Everything's all clean except for this. I sprayed some Goo Gone on it, but usually I always have to follow it up with alcohol. Combination of Goo Gone and alcohol, man, that really does it. Usually this stuff is thick, you know, it's double-sided tape basically, foam cord double-sided tape, and it's hard to get the stuff that you're using to the glue if it's covered with this crap. Screw it too. I don't own any double-sided tape. Once in a great while I'll actually have a need for it. I think I have some for my, I have some for my job that I might use, but personally I have never used double-sided tape. There's always a better option. We're making progress now, aren't we? Yeah, and this stuff is starting to penetrate. See the blue, it's left. Almost there. Just like I'm going alcohol. Alcohol. This stuff's pretty tough. Not the big outside like I used to. Almost there. That's it. You know what would have taken that right off? Gasoline. And I actually have some just for that reason, but I don't like to use it, obviously. But yeah, that old stuff comes right off with gasoline. Anyway. So the motherboard's all tied down and ready to go. The floppy drive is, you know, I didn't clean it, but I blew it out with, usually that's all you need to do with regular maintenance, but it looks pretty crusty inside, so I really should give it a proper cleaning. So I'm going to do that next. No need to watch that. I have other videos of cleaning these. Not a 1010 style, but you know, the other ones. So more slimline ones. So I'm going to do that first, and then I'm going to install the drive, and then I'm going to test it before I put the rest of it together. And yeah. So let's give it a test here. We're looking good. Yeah, we got the workbench screen. Now I cleaned the floppy drive heads. I decided to clean it without them with alcohol. And let's see if this workbench just decides to work now. Yeah, nope. Let's make sure that the one that does work works. No. Why isn't that working? That was working before. Uh-oh. Okay, so here it is all put together. The floppy drive is faulty. Sometimes loads this disk, never loads any others. Actually, it's pretty rare when I can even get it to read this disk. I basically get lucky. And I feel the age of this and how, you know, I was thinking like maybe it was stored somewhere and it was, you know, it just got grubby being stored. But the fact that the return key was clean and the space bar was clean and all the other keys were really dirty, and the fact that most of the grime was was on the sides of the keys. In other words, you're kind of cleaning it with your fingers. I think this is a very high hour, and the fact that the power supply fan was worn out, that this is a very high hour Amiga 1000, and I think that the heads in the drive are probably just worn out. So anyway, so we have options there. I think I'm going to do something about changing the floppy drive. Probably put a Gotek in there, come up with a custom mount for it. So stay tuned for that. Otherwise, this is it for this video. Thanks for watching, friends. Bye.